Hi, my name is Dan Carino, and I'm an Operations Program Manager here at Lockheed Martin, Liverpool, New York. As the lead sponsor of the 2021 Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month, Lockheed Martin welcomes you on behalf of the Greater Central New York manufacturing community. This program is intended to increase awareness of careers in manufacturing, and we hope that many of you will consider a career at Lockheed Martin or one of the other companies supporting this event. We hope you enjoy this video of another great manufacturing company in the Greater Central New York region. Thank you.
Thank you to this week's Gold Manufacturing sponsor, United Radio. If you are looking for a diverse, stable, safe, fun, and dynamic workplace, check out career opportunities at their website at unitedradio.com. There are several openings in their East Syracuse location, and many only require a high school diploma. Now, here is a video highlighting some of those opportunities.
Whether it's improving the way first responders communicate, redefining the ways we travel, or re-engineering the entertainment devices we count on every day, at United Radio, we know that our customers provide the world with so much more than electronics. That's why we provide them with so much more than electronics repair. Here, we put customer service above everything. We understand that when you trust us to diagnose and fix your products, you're also trusting us with your reputation, your customers, and your future, which is why we don't just operate as a repair provider. We're a data and logistics partner too. That means collecting in-depth data at every step and sharing it with your team so you can use it to re-engineer and improve your products. And it means managing logistics at any scale, from full product recalls to getting the right components in the hands of the right people. In short, we don't just repair your products, we enhance your processes, your technologies, and your business. And even as technology and client needs have changed over the decades, our commitment to customer service hasn't. We work as an extension of your own team and consistently communicate with your customers to ensure that even when their devices don't work perfectly, their confidence in your brand stays strong until they do. So turn to United Radio today and see what it means to work with a partner that's not just an expert in electronics, but an expert in everything you need to make them their best.
Here are some opportunities at our other Gold Manufacturing sponsor companies. Huhtamaki is a global producer of sustainable packaging solutions. Their plant in Fulton currently has openings for a product worker, maintenance mechanic, and several openings for industrial electrical technician interns. Novalis is the largest producer and recycler of aluminum beverage cans. Their Oswego plant has openings for mechanical, electrical, and automation engineers, product engineers, project reliability engineers, and mobile equipment technicians. Marquardt Switches Incorporated offers opportunities across all areas for experienced and entry-level professionals and skilled workers. They offer seasonal, long-term, and paid co-ops and internships within various departments and disciplines.
Once again, thank you and have a great Manufacturing Careers Day and Manufacturing Month.
Thank you to PPC, a silver sponsor of Manufacturing Month. PPC is a global team of exceptional people committed to designing, delivering, and supporting best-in-class technology solutions in a fast-paced, results-oriented, and growing company. If you are creative, smart, analytical, and obsessed with working together to deliver high-quality solutions and services to customers across the globe, check out their job openings. Thank you to AT&T, a bronze sponsor of Manufacturing Month. AT&T continually sponsors PEB and MACNY programs and demonstrates their commitment to the local community. Thanks to bronze sponsor SRC. SRC Syracuse has openings for electrical engineers, co-ops, internships for spring and summer 2022, and entry-level computer engineer, software engineer interns, and integration and test engineers. Visit srcinc.com/careers and engineer new possibilities. Thanks to our third bronze sponsor, Syracuse Label and Surround Printing. They design, print, and manufacture and utilize cutting-edge print technology, have an in-house art department. Check out their job openings at www.syrlsp.com. A big thank you to Amerique, a program sponsor. Amerique is invested in education and offers 10 $1,000 scholarships annually to primary members who are high school or continuing college students. Visit amerique.org. in-our-community/scholarships. Thank you to Bomer, a program sponsor. You can join their growing team in Auburn in custom thermoforming, rotational molding, plastic and metal fabrication, or in their sheet metal or value-add service departments. Cathedral Candle is a long-term PEB MACNY supporter. This local company has employed local people since 1897 and has career opportunities for machine operators, shipping and receiving personnel, warehouse and maintenance positions, and maintenance technicians. We thank them for their continuing sponsorship and commitment to the community.